Imagine waking up to skin that feels smoother, plumper, and rejuvenated, all thanks to your nighttime skincare routine. It's a promise many products make, but how well do they actually deliver? Let's talk about the Olay Retinol 24 Max Moisturizer and its accompanying Super Serum Night Repair. This duo is designed to tackle signs of aging, brighten your complexion, and enhance skin texture, all while you sleep. It's marketed as the next evolution in Olay's Retinol 24 line, boasting a maximized formula. So how does it measure up in real life? Let's find out. The first thing I noticed about the Olay Retinol 24 Max Moisturizer is its rich, creamy texture. It's thick, but not overly heavy, which makes it feel luxurious on the skin without causing any greasy residue. When you first apply it, it absorbs quickly, and that's something I really appreciate. There's no need to worry about it leaving marks on your pillowcase. It's fragrance-free, which is a huge plus for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. No overpowering scent lingering through the night, just pure hydration. The standout feature, of course, is the retinol. Olay claims that this version has 20% more of their signature Retinol 24 hydrating complex compared to the original formula. This boosted concentration promises to provide deeper penetration, transforming your skin overnight. But does it? After using it consistently for a few weeks, I've definitely noticed smoother skin with reduced dryness. My complexion looks more refreshed by morning, and it doesn't feel stripped or irritated, which can sometimes happen with stronger retinol products. What's interesting about this formula is the combination of ingredients that work alongside the retinol: salicylic acid, niacinamide, lactic acid, glycerin, and peptides. Each of these plays a role in hydration and skin renewal. Salicylic acid helps with exfoliating dead skin cells, niacinamide targets skin barrier health and brightening, while lactic acid gently resurfaces the skin. Together, they help enhance the overall effectiveness of the retinol without causing the typical irritation that can come with other retinol-based products. Now, I'm not saying this will completely replace a professional treatment or overnight miracle, but I do think it's a solid option for those who are looking to incorporate retinol into their routine in a way that's not too harsh. The key here is consistency. If you're expecting dramatic results after just a couple of uses, this probably isn't the magic solution. But over time, you'll likely see smoother, more youthful skin with consistent use. There are a few things I should mention about the Olay Retinol 24 Max line. First, as much as I like the lightweight feel, if you have extremely dry skin, you might find that the moisturizer alone isn't enough. It's hydrating, yes, but during particularly dry months, or if your skin is feeling dehydrated, you might want to layer a richer product on top. The Super Serum, however, is a good addition for a more potent overnight boost. It's thinner in texture, but still offers intense hydration. Pros? Well, it absorbs fast, doesn't leave any greasy residue, and provides noticeable improvements in skin texture over time. The ingredients are well chosen for those looking to fight signs of aging and improve overall skin health. Plus, the fact that it's fragrance-free is a win for sensitive skin. The cons? The price might be a little steep compared to some drugstore competitors with similar ingredients, especially if you're on a budget. Also, like I mentioned earlier, if you have very dry skin, this moisturizer alone might not be enough to keep your skin ultra hydrated. As far as alternatives go, I'd say if you're looking for something a bit more budget-friendly that still delivers retinol benefits, products like Neutrogena's Rapid Wrinkle Repair or La Roche-Posay's Redermic R could be worth considering. Both have strong formulations, but are often more affordable than Olay's version. So, would I recommend Olay Retinol 24 Max? Yes, especially if you're already a fan of the brand or are just beginning to explore retinol. It's an effective, gentle introduction to the ingredient that doesn't overwhelm the skin, plus it tackles hydration and skin texture at the same time. If you're on the hunt for a product that offers consistent, noticeable improvements without harsh irritation, Olay's Retinol 24 Max is definitely worth a try. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've used Olay Retinol 24 Max, drop a comment below. Let us know how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.